And we paste that in there, hit submit. Now we have our server save features side, but we don't have it linked anywhere yet. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go back to our main pages, and we're going to have home page. We're going to change one of the edits here. So let's go ahead and view. We get edit next to the main position. And we have this button here that says server. Let's go ahead and link this to our server page rather than a server download. So link to internal page. To get this, I hit server save features. Hit OK. Submit. Now let's take a look and see if that worked out well. So I'm going to refresh this. So you see already that I could come here and mess with the table formatting a little bit so it's not out of alignment. And it's still linking to our server save, so let's go back to make sure that we did that correctly. Server, let's unlink it, and then we'll link again. Link to internal pages. Server save, hit OK. Great, we'll refresh our main page. There, so now it's updated, and we see that in the bottom left, server save features. And now it's going to come to this page, which I just did a quick copy and paste from the features page and on the SOS main website. Any questions on the content management system? Oh, looks good. Okay. I think we spent enough time on that. Let's get into the mailer. So the mailer. So it's a really nice mailer. First, get your mailer dashboard. It doesn't show anything unless you have some information in here, so we don't have any of that, sorry. But mailer settings, so this is where you plug in all the mail settings that you'd want to use for the mailer specifically. You don't always want to use the same email addresses when you're doing regular emails to your customers so that they can differentiate an important email versus one of these monthly subscription emails. So you can update your information here. Activation email, whatever the case may be, you edit that. We have statistics, which we also have any information. Well, to show you how simple it is to get people into the mailer here, and this is really nice to show you what's happening. First, you would create some type of group. So, and you need to get subscribers into the group. So we'd say, okay, let's do subscribers. And it says we don't have any subscribers. So we say, yeah, let's import a bunch. So all you need is a CSV file, first column, first name, last name, second column, email address. You upload that here, select the group to send it to, and then you're good to go. Once you've done that, then you select a template, and you would create a different campaign. You define the campaign by, length. Do you want to do this for the next month, for the next 6 months, year? It really depends on what you want to do. You can set different campaigns for different things. Contacting industry-specific leads, different discount types of campaigns. So, like we talked about, the coupon code options, and then we also have just regular subscriber groups. Once you send out those emails, then you can come back to the stats and see, how successful are these emails being. So there are a lot of things that you can get in as far as, like, if you go to a site like innovativegames.com, which is really helpful in identifying better ways of surveying your customers that isn't just a survey. Things of that nature, so you can see how they're doing. Maybe just give them a once a month or a once a quarter update and how they're on what's going on with their services or what you guys are doing new. It's nice to have that regular touch with your customers, whether it's ongoing touches with your customers or just the initial touch and trying to get in the door. So the mailer is here. It's fairly intuitive for those of you who have used some mail programs, but this is pretty good. Good question. Doug asked, basically, a lot of them don't pay with credit cards, and it's with invoices and checks. Can we create accounts without that? Absolutely. The main part of the dashboard after you're done setting things up is the backup users section. So the backup users section gives you a list of all your backup accounts. You can order all the columns here by created date or alphabetical by username, first name, last name, email address, or by status. We go to some of these, we go to view actions, and it gives us administrative functions over these accounts. As you can see, if I want to edit some of the basic information here, if we want to upgrade the account, cancel the account, reset their password, reset the password is only available for non-UltraSafe accounts. So UltraSafe is something you only need to enable for healthcare records in the United States. HIPAA standards also meet some international standards, so you may do the same for healthcare records elsewhere. You can change the email address that's here, or as Doug was asking, you can just create an account. Again, you have to make account options active here. If you want to know about the account limitations as far as parameters for account names, account passwords, we have our knowledge base, validation rules to create an account. And we have this listed here. So validation rules, again, that's what you'd be searching for. Basically no blank spaces. You keep it primarily alphanumeric is the rule. For usernames, @ symbols, period, dashes, and underscores are fine, so most emails are going to be cool. But that covers most everything. And then the password has a few more special characters you can use. And then if I go back to the dashboard, again, you can see recent signups, recent upgrades. Let's say I want to go to this recent upgrade. It shows me this is the view details option. So it gives me the contact information that's here, the secret question and answer in case the person forgets their secret question and answer when they go to account recovery. You can either give that to them or you can just reset their password for them. Plan information, so the plan size, use space, total size, and then the order history. So when they signed up, upgrade, cancel, things like that. And then you have, again, your administrative functions here on the right action box as well. That pretty much covers it for the web integration portion. Any questions on any of this information? Any specific things you want to do with the package and have a question about? All right, we're going to dive right into using the software. So again, the first thing is you need a backup account. Great question by Dave. Can you do a 100% off coupon? No, you cannot. So the one rule to be aware of for the coupon code system is that a coupon code cannot be equal to the amount of a plan. So if you have a $10 off coupon and you have a $10 plan, the user won't be able to buy that plan for $0. And that's because it's going through the merchant system, and merchant systems don't allow you to process without some sort of dollar amount there. So you can do like a 99% off coupon, and that'll work. But there's got to be some amount of money that the merchant system is going to process, or it just won't let you do it. Another coupon code question, Doug asked, can you do a coupon for 1 month free? No, you can't. So the coupon code is going to apply to the life of the account. So it's going to be ongoing. Another, I think probably another good follow-up question, coupon codes are not valid for upgrades. So if someone signed up online and then they wanted a discount for an upgrade cost, there's no coupon code you could do for them. What you'd have to do is just go through the admin section, upgrade their account without entering a credit card, and then go into your merchant system and you could update their billing there. Good questions, guys. Thanks a lot. Okay, so partner dashboards. So you want to make sure that you're going through this. Oh, another thing, Tim asked, kind of follow up on the same earlier question. I don't plan on using your immersion system. Can I still create users and back up their data? Yeah, absolutely. So you just hit add user here in the dashboard, and then you come to the add user section. You still want to make sure that the pricing here would be accurate to your pricing, because the user will see this when they sign in. So let's do a quick login as a user so you can see what they do see. So I'm an end user, go to the same login page, and I see all this information. Here's my name, username, address, phone number, email address. I can change this information here on the left. I can go to view orders to view order history. If I hit submit support ticket, I can do that. And again, the support ticket allows you to create or to define the different support categories and statuses that you can be assigned here, so you can have as few or as many as you like. Also, view support ticket here. I can view the existing support tickets I have. And if I click view here, it shows me a history of the comments, and I can add a comment to it. So like any status update, something like that. Hit submit, and then that would add a comment to the ticket. So it gives you a nice little communication here with your customers if you don't already have something. If I hit access backups, this is actually going to do another auto login to the neutral My Account system. So myaccount.managed.offsitebackup.net is where your customers are going to go. So here they would see various machines they're backing up. Let me log into this with an account that actually has backed up before, so we can see what it looks like when it's been used. Okay, so here it is. Here's what it looks like if it's been used. So you have all the machine names down here. Gives you some basic information. I can change my password or upgrade. Upgrade just goes back to the your main website. So if I were to hit upgrade account, it's going to take me to this page. Actually, for this demo purpose, this was a legacy landing page, so it actually just takes you back to the